Hello, 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 hello. Ayan. Ohio Real Estate. Wow, grabe ha. Oh, nasa pinaka-rooftop kami nitong 3-floor na house and lot here at South Pacific. At ang kagandahan, ayan, may jacuzzi ka na. Bago po yan, tinakpan lang. So kasama na yan sa package. This house and lot is a 3-story. Third floor siya. Ayan. So pwede ka mag-party dito. So each room may sariling toilet at bath. So napakalawak ng roof deck. So ang presyo nito for only 14 million. Ayan. So kasama na ang mga muebles. So kasama na. So ayan. Napaka nice. So ayan po. So 14 million, may jacuzzi ka na. Grabe, napaka nice. Party ka dito. Kita mo yung view, yung mga kapitbahay mo. So contact me, PMA mga ma'am sir, and let's talk and let's negotiate. 14 million here at South Pacific. Keep safe. God bless.